Think your Jeep Grand Cherokee is fully upgraded? Think again. Today, we're revealing the best Jeep Grand Cherokee accessories that can transform your SUV's comfort, style, protection, and functionality. These are the must-have upgrades Jeep owners are adding right now. Every product link is in the description, so you can check today's offer price instantly. Let's dive in. Number 1. VEVOR Off-Road Recovery Kit delivers professional-grade recovery performance for Jeep Grand Cherokee owners. Featuring 30,000 pounds tow straps and 44,092 pounds D-ring shackles for extreme safety and strength. Built for mud, snow, and ditch recoveries, it ensures durability, versatility, and confidence with complete portable storage for serious off-road value. Number 2. Joltekon 6000A 9-in-1 car battery jump starter with air compressor delivers powerful roadside confidence for Jeep Grand Cherokee owners, combining 160 PSI inflator, air blower, 800 LM emergency light, and fast power bank charging. Built with 10 safety protections and rugged durability, it ensures reliable all-weather performance, quick engine starts, and ultimate travel convenience. Number 3. OPENROAD 13,000-pound recovery winch delivers extreme pulling power with 13,500-pound capacity, 85 feet synthetic rope, and IP68 waterproof 12V motor, designed for Jeep Grand Cherokee recovery situations. With wireless remotes, fast installation, and durable corrosion-resistant build, it ensures reliable off-road safety, control, and heavy-duty performance in toughest conditions. Number 4. Autorder mud flaps splash guards deliver premium protection for Jeep Grand Cherokee L 2021 to 2026 with custom-fit precision, durable ABS thermoplastic, and all-weather resistance. They block mud, rocks, and debris while enhancing chassis safety. Bolt-on installation ensures quick setup, offering strong durability, corrosion resistance, and excellent value for USA drivers. Number 5. Saleago in-channel window rain guards for Jeep Grand Cherokee deliver ultra-durable polycarbonate protection, blocking rain, wind, and road debris while allowing fresh airflow. Precision-fit design ensures highway stability, easy no-drill installation, enhanced cabin comfort, odor reduction, and long-lasting all-weather performance with premium safety and value. Number 6. Migaven car cover custom fit for Jeep Grand Cherokee delivers premium all-weather protection with 100% waterproof coating, UV reflective shield, and soft cotton lining for paint safety. Windproof straps, elastic hem, and driver's side zipper add convenience, while reflective strips boost night safety, making it durable, secure, and high-value protection solution. Number 7. Wildroad 500 pounds Hitch cargo carrier set for Jeep Grand Cherokee delivers rugged 60 by 24 by 14 heavy-duty steel strength with waterproof 500D PVC bag, net, straps, and dual tightener. Its 500 pounds capacity, foldable design, 5-degree clearance angle, and tall fence ensure secure, stable, weatherproof, long-distance hauling while maximizing cabin comfort and cargo space. Number 8. WEIZE 54 by 34 heavy-duty roof rack basket delivers rugged 200 pounds capacity steel construction designed for Jeep Grand Cherokee users needing extra cargo space. Includes waterproof bag cargo net and tie-down straps for secure travel. Easy universal install, rust-resistant coating, enhancing durability, safety, and long-trip storage convenience. Number 9. HmmtyRack roof rack crossbars for Jeep Grand Cherokee deliver a secure 300 pounds load capacity with lightweight aluminum construction and built-in locking system. Designed for grooved factory side rails, it ensures stability, easy installation, and premium cargo flexibility for kayaks, luggage, and outdoor gear with strong durability and safety. Number 10. ASURE Android 15 13.1-inch QLED car stereo for Jeep Grand Cherokee delivers a premium upgrade with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, 8-core 4 plus 64GB performance, GPS navigation, and HD backup camera. Ultra-fast response, vivid display, safer parking, and seamless connectivity create a powerful, reliable infotainment system built for modern USA driving comfort and value. Number 11. OTHOE aluminum side steps running boards for 2011 to 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Deliver premium durability with lightweight aluminum and dual-stage textured black powder coating for corrosion resistance. 5.5-inch wide steps ensure safe entry for all passengers. Alt-on installation, no drilling required, offering strong grip, sleek design, and long-lasting performance. Number 12. Always Truck Organizer for Car delivers a heavy-duty collapsible storage solution designed for Jeep Grand Cherokee owners who need secure, clutter-free cargo space. Built with waterproof Oxford fabric, reinforced panels, and non-slip base, it keeps groceries, tools, and beer stable. Foldable design, strong durability, and premium utility boost everyday driving convenience. Number 13. APetsPlanet Dog Car Seat Cover for Backseat Hard Bottom is a premium waterproof pet hammock designed for Jeep Grand Cherokee owners seeking protection and comfort. It features a hard bottom platform supporting up to 280 pounds, waterproof polyester, mesh window for airflow, storage pockets, and a hammock design that expands rear seat space. Number 14. AVID Power Portable Tire Inflator delivers fast, reliable performance for Jeep Grand Cherokee owners. Featuring a 20V cordless battery and 12V DC backup, 30 LPM rapid inflation, and auto shutoff precision. Its digital multi-unit gauge, LED lighting, and industrial-grade metal cylinder ensure durability, safety, and effortless roadside emergency tire care. Number 15. YIERTAI Premium Faux Leather Seat Covers for Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011 to 2026 deliver a custom-fit upgrade with waterproof protection, airbag compatibility, and durable wear resistance. Designed for full-set coverage, they enhance comfort, safety, and interior style while offering easy installation and long-lasting value for demanding USA driving conditions. Number 16. IHOTDER 2PCS Car Trash Can with Lid delivers a high CTR interior upgrade for Jeep Grand Cherokee. Featuring built-in 60 garbage bags, durable ABS construction, and a spring-loaded lid that locks in odor and prevents spills. Compact hook design ensures easy placement, offering multifunction storage, boosting cleanliness, convenience, and driving comfort. Number 17. KMF 8-piece Thicken Sun Shades for Jeep Grand Cherokee L delivers full coverage UV protection and blackout privacy with a perfect custom fit for 2021 to 2026 3-row models. The upgraded reflective polyester and insulated cotton block 99% sunlight, reduce heat, enhance camping comfort, protect interiors, install easily with durable reinforced support. Number 18. TAIKOO Seat Back Protector Plus Large Capacity Pocket Storage Organizer delivers premium artificial leather durability for Jeep Grand Cherokee, preventing scuffs, stains, and kick damage while adding smart storage space. Easy to install, clean, and secure. It enhances interior protection, organization, comfort, long-lasting value, and family-friendly driving safety. Number 19. ZZEQYG Door Sill Protector for Jeep Grand Cherokee delivers premium ABS construction with lightweight durability and precise vehicle-specific fit. It protects door sills from scratches, mud, snow, and daily wear while enhancing interior style. Easy peel and stick installation ensures secure bonding, long-lasting performance, and low-maintenance cleaning for everyday driving protection and value. Number 20. PINCTROT Steering Wheel Cover with 3D Honeycomb Anti-Slip Grip delivers premium control and comfort, ideal for Jeep Grand Cherokee drivers. Built with microfiber leather, silicone, and rubber, it ensures durability, heat resistance, and year-round comfort. Enhances steering precision, reduces fatigue, protects wheel, upgrades interior style with secure universal fit. Number 21. LISEN 25-watt MagSafe car mount charger delivers fast, stable wireless charging with secure vent grip and one-click release, ideal for Jeep Grand Cherokee drivers. It supports iPhone 12 through 17 series, ensuring efficient navigation, calls, and streaming power, while its durable steel hook design enhances stability, convenience, and long-lasting daily driving performance. Number 22. KUST dash cover for Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe delivers custom-fit protection with premium polyester build and non-slip silicone backing. It blocks UV glare, protects dashboard from fading, and enhances driving safety. Easy install, breathable material, and durable stitched edges ensure long-lasting interior comfort and clean OEM-style look. Number 23. ZZEQYG Cargo Mat Backrest mat for Jeep Grand Cherokee delivers a precision-fit TPE cargo liner and rear seat backrest protection designed for models. It offers strong scratch and spill resistance, odorless durability, and easy Velcro installation. Enhances trunk cleanliness, cargo safety, and long-term interior value with effortless maintenance. Number 24. Frisu Jeep Grand Cherokee seat covers deliver a luxury waterproof leather upgrade with custom-fit precision for models. Featuring breathable multi-layer protection, they guard against spills, pet damage, and UV wear while maintaining airbags and seat functions. Easy install, premium comfort, durability, and elevated interior styling for long-lasting value. Number 25. Last Fit floor mats deliver a precision-engineered custom fit for Jeep Grand Cherokee L 6-seater models, using advanced 3D scanning for edge-to-edge coverage. Built from durable TPE, they offer all-weather protection, raised edges, easy cleaning, and long-lasting flexibility, protecting resale value while enhancing interior safety, comfort, and premium everyday driving performance.